Hi, welcome to HPC Fire Inspired Forno de Pizza food series. Today we're going to focus on St. Patrick's Day, and we're going to smoke up a nice 4.5 pound brisket with a nice cabbage. We got our hybrid oven here, easy start. It's already up to almost 250 degrees. We're going to cook for about 2 hours at 250 degrees. Then we're going to take it out, put it in a pan with some water, put the vegetables in and the cabbage, and cook that for another 2 hours and allow that just to permeate between the vegetables and the corned beef. So let's go over and show you the corned beef now. Our corned beef brisket is on our HPC bar. We have our Irish whiskey to go along with that corned beef brisket. You got to have Irish whiskey. Then we have our vegetables. So we have our cabbage, we have a red cabbage and a regular cabbage. We also have our potatoes, onions, and carrots. Now a little bit about our seasonings for our corned beef brisket. So we have a nice seasoned salt. We have a fennel. We have bay leaves, as you can see. And then we have garlic powder. Last, we have the special HPC mix. And when you get your HPC Forno de Pizza oven, hybrid oven, we'll give you the recipe for that special mix. So we're going to take our 4.5 pound brisket and we're going to season it. And we're going to do this about 250 degrees for about 2 hours. And then we're going to, again, take that out, put it in the pan, put it in the water, and allow that to breathe in that water, and we're going to have a nice brisket after 4 hours. All right, now we're going to go and talk about the cabbage, and that's the essential ingredient to complete the corned beef brisket. So you can see we're going to take our cabbage here. We're going to take some foil, a nice piece of foil. We're going to wrap this up, and we're going to make sure that we leave an opening up top for now. And this is going to be cooked at 250 degrees also for about a couple hours with this opening. As you can see, we've taken our knife and we've carved out the center. And we like to do that to make room for some butter. We're going to go ahead and grab some of our ingredients. We got some of our pepper. It's got a little mixture of some white in it. We're going to do that just a little bit and split that up between our other one. We got some more seasoned salt. We're going to get a little bit of that. We're going to go ahead and get some of our garlic powder in here, just a little bit. Then we got our minced garlic pieces. Let's see if we can scoop that in there. Get that nice and in there. And then just finish it off with some Worcestershire sauce. Just a little bit. And we're going to go ahead and put a little topping of salt. And then we're going to put that little piece that we cut out. I'm going to kind of stuff that back in there the best you can. And we're going to leave this open for that nice smoky flavor. All right, we're going to check out the corned beef brisket. It's been cooking for about 2 hours and should be about 130 degrees or so. So we're going to reach in here and pull this out. Oh, look at that. Oh, you got the leaves on there. Yep. Oh man, look at that. 130. Perfect. All right, we're going to pull this out. And we're going to go ahead and put the brisket in the pan and get the brine and let that water just come right out of that brine and mix with that brine and get a nice flavor. All right, we have the corned beef brisket. It's out of the grill area, and now we're putting it in the pan. And we got the nice brine and all the seasonings. We're going to go ahead and fill this up with water about 3/4 way. And that'll really create a lot of the juices that we want and really marinate that corned beef for us. So We got that in there. We're gonna go ahead and put that in there, put this out here, and just let that cook here for about another an hour and a half. So we're gonna look to try to get about 190 degrees. All right, so we just pulled the corned beef out after an hour in the oven. Now we're gonna add some vegetables. I'm gonna go ahead and throw these all around. We got some carrots and some onions. It's gonna mix really well with those juices from the corned beef brisket. And we're gonna go ahead and put the foil on here. Add the foil. Get that nice and covered. All right, we're ready to get that corned beef brisket out. It's been about 4 hours, and it's all ready. Let's just try a little of this piece. Just falls apart. Look at that. So good. That's great.